Now it is ready and it smells so good. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do for this breakfast sandwich is we're gonna warm up this turkey ham, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of margarine in the pan to warm up the ham, turkey ham. It does have some fat content, but it will stick to the pan if I don't put the margarine in the pan. So first I'm gonna just fry the turkey ham in this pan. And then I'm gonna use the same pan to make, you can either use scrambled eggs or you can make fried eggs. But it'll pick up the flavor, the smokiness of the turkey ham if you cook the eggs in the pan after you cook the turkey ham. It doesn't have to be all flat perfect. It could be in layers. Okay, so when your turkey ham has gotten to this point, or if you're a person who eats pork, you could just use regular ham. Just take it off the stove or out of the pan. And now I'm gonna add a little more margarine to the pan so that I can make my eggs in that same pan. And I'm going to turn my heat down a bit to a medium low. And margarine up my pan again. Now I'm just going to crack my eggs into the pan. I think I'm going to put my heat up just a little bit to get those eggs cooking. So now I'm just going to put some fresh ground pepper. And I'm going to use a little Lori seasoned salt. I am going to break the yolk and let these eggs fry. Now you could cook your eggs to your desired wellness. And now I'm just gonna get the grill pan ready for the actual sandwich. So now I have my grill pan with a medium high fire on it. And we're gonna use this bread, this brioche bread. I got it from Walmart for $3.99 for a whole pack. Now I'm waiting for my grill pan to get hot, and then I'm gonna just spray it with some vegetable spray so it will prevent sticking. Now I'm only making 2 sandwiches, so I only need one side of the pan, and I'm gonna spray it with this canola oil. Then I'm gonna let that get hot. Okay, so now I have put margarine on all 4 slices of bread, only on one side. Now you could use margarine, you could use butter, or you could use olive oil, or you could use whatever kind of spread you want, or if you don't want, you don't have to use any. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take the bread and put it face down onto the grill. Then I'm gonna start assembling my sandwich. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the turkey ham on. Next, I'm going to add cheese. Now, I'm going to put Swiss cheese on one of them, and I'm going to put yellow American on the other. Again, you could use whatever kind of cheese you like. I like Swiss cheese. And my son likes, one of my sons, likes yellow American cheese. So I have my American cheese and I have my Swiss cheese, and I also have a train running on the track next to my house. And next, we're gonna put the eggs on top. I can see the Swiss cheese already starting to melt. Now we're close to the final step. Butter side up. just press that down. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little top to press it down and for the cheese to really get a good melt on it. So I'm just gonna take this top right here and lay it on top so it could get some steam in it and so the cheese can melt nicely. I'm gonna leave it on until I believe that the bottom is golden brown, maybe about 2 minutes. And I believe they're ready. So here we are, a nice, easy breakfast sandwich made with turkey ham, eggs and cheese, and brioche bread. And that brioche bread is so soft and luscious, you'll love it. If you never tried it, try it. And try the hamburger buns too. I showed you that in the past video. I'll link it up above. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to thumbs this video up. Y'all know that helps me when you thumb up the video, when you leave a comment. And please subscribe so you'll see more good recipes and fun vlogs. Thank you for watching. See you soon.